How to get Meta AI on Instagram. Check for the update. Make sure your Instagram is updated or not. To check, open the App Store app on your device. In the search bar, search for the option Instagram, and if there is any update, click on the Update option. If there is an Open option, then it means that your app is updated. Reinstall the app. On your iPhone, tap and hold on Instagram and click on the Remove app. Then click on Delete app. On Android, press and hold until a menu appears. Click on the dustbin symbol to uninstall the app. Go back to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and reinstall the app. Contact Instagram support. Open the Instagram app. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the Profile menu. At the top right, click on the 3 horizontal lines to open the Settings menu. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Help. Then, Report a problem. Click on the Report problem without shaking. Here, click on the Include and Continue. Type the issue and submit your report to Instagram support. Even then, you can't get the Meta AI. That means Instagram doesn't allow Meta AI in your locality. Wait for the Instagram next update so that you can get Meta AI. And that's it.